if you are new to ArcMap or ArcGIS, so you can follow up this video and learn how to use this software, ArcMap. So in the previous video, I had made on introduction to ArcGIS interface for absolute beginners. If you want, you can just check it out. I will be putting it in the cards up there in the corner, and I will be giving it in the description. Please do check it out. Now coming to this video, uh, we are going to add Basemaps to ArcMap. So for that, first of all, we need an active internet connection. So make sure you have an active internet connection. After that, opening your ArcMap or ArcGIS, click on below, and you can find ArcGIS not connected. So right click on it and select properties. Here we need to check periodically during the session and click OK. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see add data. So this is the standard tool. If you don't have the standard tool, you just have to right click on this empty space, go down. You can see it's standard. You can enable this tool. It will be automatically available over here. Now click on this option and you can find add basemap. So click on add basemap. So you can see here currently 5 basemaps are available. So let us add the first topographic map. Click add. After selecting it, click add. It may take 10 to 20 seconds. So now you can see the base map has been successfully added to your map. You can zoom in to any location. For example, I am just zooming over here. You can furtherly zoom in. So using this base map, you can, if you're preparing layouts, you can overlay your data sets, and you can use this base map that will be visually very appealing. So this is the topographic base map. You can find the information about rivers, topography, how the topography is, then forest area, likewise. So let us add the next base map. Next is oceans. So now you can see that the layer has been added, but it's not visible. So we just need to select this option, and we need to place this base map at the top. So you can see here, this is the ocean base map. If you just zoom in, zoom out, you can see detailed of this ocean flow. You can see here, you can see the details of the ocean flow. You can add this base map as well. You can see how it looks like. So if you want to remove any base map, you can click on it and right click on it and select remove. Automatically that will be removed. So previously the topographic map was there, now it has been removed. Now let us add some more base maps. You can just see the streets. Let me add it. Same thing, once again we need to put it to the top. Now you can see here how it is. This is a street map view. Now you can see the details. If you zoom in, the details will be much more so like this. So finally, let me add another base map that is called as imagery. So you can see imagery, add it. So this is a satellite imagery. So it is for the entire world. So you can use this base map for the entire world. It is not restricted to any particular region. So now let me remove the other base maps. The images are very clear. If you zoom in, you can see the clarity of those images. Now you can see the clarity of this image. So likewise you can use the base map. So it is available for the throughout the world. You can use it, very useful. So in the next video we'll be seeing how to create shapefile, that is point, line and polygon in ArcMap. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.